4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, and welcome to my physics project. Today we're going to be discussing a problem that a little boy named Alex decided he'd have at the top of Stone Mountain. In this picture, you'll see that Alex is riding a skylift, and when he gets to the top of the skylift, he drops a rock. Here's the question. Alex is riding the skylift to the top of Stone Mountain and wants to know how high up they are. He drops a rock and it hits the ground 3 seconds later. How high up is the skylift? The question you want to ask yourself is, what is the height of the skylift? In order to figure out the height, you have to figure out the rest of the variables in the side of the equation. The givens are time equals 3 seconds, g is 9.8 seconds, or gravity. And h is, I don't know, because we don't know the height yet. The concepts we're going to be learning with this is free fall. Free fall. What is it? Free fall is a hypothetical fall of a body such as the only force acting upon that is gravity. Basically, objects fall, no air resistance, just gravity. The equation that you use is T equals the square root of 2 dy over gravity. Now you plug in all of your variables, and it will say 3 equals the square root of 2 dy over 9.8. After you do all your calculations, you should get dy equals 44.1 meters. A different way you could have worked this problem is dy equals 1 over 2 times gravity times time to the second power. After you plug in your variables again, it should equal a half times gravity times 3 to the second power. And again, you should get the same exact answer, 44.1 meters. Things you should understand from the question is that time. Time is a measure of how long. The unit for time is seconds. You should also know distance, or height, is a measure of how far apart something is, and those can be measured in meters or centimeters. If you didn't understand any of that, here's a new problem. Frodo and Sam finally reach Mordor. Frodo and Smeagol fight over the ring, and Frodo pushes Smeagol into the lava. Smeagol hits the lava in 7 seconds. How far did Smeagol fall before he burned violently into the lava? Creepy, right? Once again, using the same exact formula, dy equals a half times gravity times time squared, you can calculate the height. Dy equals a half times 9.8 times 7 to the second power, and it equals 240.1 meters. Poor Smeagol, he fell a long way. Thank you for watching.